welcome to Steph's beauty stuff. Okay. Okay. Welcome to Steph's beauty section. So let's know. We have hand soap. We have stuff for your face. We have stuff for your baby sanitizer. Stuff for your teeth to whiten up those teeth. That way, Colgate can hire you.
You know you're beautiful just the way you are, and you don't have to change a thing. The world could change, it's hard. No scars, see you're beautiful. We're stars and we're beautiful.
Hey guys, welcome to the best of Steph. Just want to let you guys know today's Saturday, October 26th. We're supposed to go to the air balloon thing, but they closed early and I had to work today, so you know, work is more important than that. So I might go next year. So we decided to go to Waterbury, Connecticut, or something like that. I don't even know what's it called. For Cheesecake Factory. So guys, it's gonna be a short footage, hopefully. So if you guys like it, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the best of stuff today. So see you guys. I don't know, I forgot what I said.
Grilled rice and 8 steaks. So viene costilla y steak.
I forgot.
No. Esto es diferente lado de los
I spy with my little eyes. I spy with my little eyes. Who's that beautiful girl right there? Who's that beautiful girl right
Viene
there?
siendo el segundo. Star grilled bone in your steak.
Oh, look at that baby. Oh, look at that baby. Oh, look at that baby eating the baby. Oh my goodness. Guys, we can't forget our daily bread. Okay, this is a big bread. This bread is good. I love the bread. I like this bread, yeah. Let me. Delicious. Delicious. Delicioso. You're not even eating anything, you liar. It's already in my tummy. I'm wondering how to do that thing that goes like that. I don't know how to do it. I'm gonna try it. Guys, look at my food. This is asparagus, salmon, mashed potatoes with the different kinds of skins, I guess it's called. I don't even know what this is called. I just want to say parsley or whatever. And then this is steak with mushrooms. And guess what? The whole squad got it. And we're gonna eat. Now, ¿la qué?
No me entretes la mía, yo estoy esperándola.
Pues mira, como son los dos. You can't leave Lily either, so. You got yours. Sí, yo con mamá teta.
La otra yo tenía como 7 o algo así.
Sí.
¿Tuvieron un plato de
No, mira, vieron que cero, más de cero.
Guys, people talk about me because I like mushrooms. Mushrooms are good. I don't know. I like mushrooms. I like mushrooms.
Te quiere mucho, no te lo cambies.
They don't want their mushrooms. I'm taking it because I'm a fat.
What are you eating?
I'm eating eating this because I mentioned it
Esta vez
before.
no te lo va a llevar.
I love asparagus. I just wish I had more asparagus.
Esta siempre se lleva la comida, vamos a ver.
Al fin te dieron la comida.
Sí, mira.
Se te va a caer.
Míralo.
Ok. Se te va a caer. Pues yo no creo que...
En mi boca.
Well guys, right now we are in the Spots Coffee. I know you guys are gonna say, dang Steph, you fat. I'm a fatty, but my brother-in-law invited us to drink coffee because, I don't know, we're coffee people, but I have a migraine, so that's in my favor. So yeah, I don't know if Cheesecake Factory has coffee, but I'm gonna go drink coffee. So check you guys out. Opening the door because Chivalry's not there. Guys, they have the weekend waffle specials, just $5. Oh my goodness! There's a fireplace that's not on. And these chairs make me want to move. We almost died. Guys, look at my dad.
Definitely almost.
Ooh, who's that super dad? We're gonna die! We're gonna die! We're gonna die!
Wait.
That's God telling me to wait for my future husband. Wait, Stephanie, wait. That's my adventure dad. Super dad. Got anything to say, super dad?
It'd be nice to be in that suite up there on the balcony.
Oh
Eating breakfast in the
yeah.
morning.
Oh yeah. Reading that Bible, huh? Right?
Yeah.
That Jesus in the morning.
That's it.
Yeah, that's it.
He's good all the time.
Yeah. Amen, brother. Amen. And he's sweet, right?
All the time.
No, you're supposed to say because you know sweet.
Amen.
Oh yeah.
Me envuelves hoy con una canción, melodía de tu amor. Me das libertad en la adversidad. Ya no hay más temor. Ya no soy esclavo del temor. Yo soy hijo de Dios. Ya no soy esclavo del temor. Yo soy hijo de Dios. Antes de nacer, escogido fui por tu gran amor. Volví a nacer, pertenezco a ti. Tu sangre fluye en mí. Ya no soy esclavo del temor. Yo soy hijo de Dios. Ya no soy esclavo del temor. Yo soy hijo de Dios.
Guys, those are birds and those 4 branches. family reunion. Hi, welcome to Steph's beauty stuff. Okay. Welcome to Steph's beauty section. We have hand soap. We have stuff for your face. We have stuff for your baby sanitizer. Stuff for your teeth to whiten up those teeth. That way, Colgate can hire you. Because sometimes I use this, That's why in church when we take pictures, I be like, and then when I take a picture, I be like, and then when they take forever, because there's people that take forever to take a picture, and you're just like, and then when you're done, I be like, because of this whitening thing. You have these cotton balls to help you. These cotton balls can be used for facial stuff. A lot of people use them on their nails. I think natural you can use those for facials. This is mainly for facials and not for your ears. You don't take a stick out of that. No, don't be like Shrek, guys. Don't be like Shrek, okay? Then they have these. That's sea salt. This is good. I use one of these ones, not the same exact one, but I put it in my face, and it's like, makes your face like a butter face. A butter face. Get it? Everything's cute, but her face. Chin slobber. And then we have the avocado soap.
The what? Let me close it up.
The avocado. You know what this is? This is imported from Puerto Rico. This is from real avocados. Okay. And then if you come over here, this is my friend. Fifi says, hi.
Nuestros corazones insaciables son hasta que conocen a su Salvador. Tal y como somos, nos amó.